Hi everybody, good morning. Good morning. This morning we had a bit of a mishap, but it's an opportunity for us to do a video. So we woke up and our fridge was defrosted, so that means everything in our freezer basically melted. Come stand next to me. Should I come down?
Yeah.
Everything in our fridge melted, so as a result we had to devise a plan as to what we're going to do with it. So we've already made sponge cake, and then we added our frozen our defrosted blueberries and also some red currants, and now we have some black currants left, some more red currants. What else? Mangoes, blueberries, strawberries, other berries, a mix of berries are still there. And I think now we're going to make jam, so we're going to show you how we make an easy, quick jam.
Yeah.
And Lesedi is going to be my kitchen assistant. So hope you enjoy. Well, thanks for joining us, Leanna. Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you going to help us?
Uh-huh.
All right, come, let's get started. First, we have to wash our hands.
Yeah.
All right. And then we have to sort out our fruits, okay? So by doing that, the blueberries are ready. Just put those in there. The strawberries need cooking. So what I want you guys to do is to take a strawberry and then remove the green part, yeah, the leaves.
I don't know how to peel the leaves.
And now mush it back.
Yeah.
Come out, say.
It's mushy. What should I do with the mushy ones?
Well, we put them in here because they're gonna go into the jam. They're just mushy because they got water in them.
Mommy, what is that?
It's cranberry. All right, now for the red currants.
I think the red currants don't need peeling.
I think I need to rinse this first. Okay, the red currants. Throw it away.
Why do they call it currants? Huh? Why do they call it a currant?
Because that's the name of the fruit. Then some black currants.
Oh, they look very nice. And they look like blueberries. Can I taste the black currant?
Do you want to taste it now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Me too.
Then in the meantime, I'm going to switch over the stove.
Sour.
And we have our pot on the stove.
Aren't you going to add any water in this thing? Water?
Sadie, please put the berries in. Yum. All the mixed berries are in. Now onto the stove.
What about the cranberries?
Alright,
The
and then we'll add,
melting.
do you want more cranberries?
Yeah.
No, I think,
Did we already add cranberries?
no. Let's just add a few cranberries. We'll see what we do with the other one. Eh?
Wow. Looking good.
Looking absolutely great. So now we need to add some lemon juice. Because they are already watery, we're not going to add a lot of water. We're just going to add some lemon juice that's freshly squeezed. Our berries are naturally tart, so not too much, maybe just half a lemon. Yeah, some lemon juice and some jaggery.
Let me press.
Jaggery is sugar, basically. It's a sugar substitute. Hold the camera easy.
But it's also healthy. It's a healthy sugar.
Yes. Just hold it there. Yeah.
I can already see some. I can already see some melting.
And then we're gonna add our jaggery lumps
Yeah.
to make it nice and sweet. Nah?
Yeah. But not too much.
Yeah.
Or it will get too sweet.
Yeah, not too much. Nah? I'll keep tasting as it goes. So there it is. You see, we didn't even add water, but the water is already releasing from the berries. So there's our jam. Okay. Anna, please cover the pot.
And the pot is made.
There we go.
Oh.
In the meantime, I'm going to take out the cake that we made earlier. It should be ready now.
I'll hold the camera for you.
Thank you, Sid. Yummy.
They look nice.
Yeah.
But be careful not to
Come.
burn our cake. Not to spill from our.
So
It wasn't
there's,
even so long when it's.
there's our cake. One. Cake number 2. Our space in the kitchen is very small, guys, so bear with us.
It's over here, Mom.
It's fine, we'll leave it there in the light to cool down. Alright, let's get back to our jam.
It's already looking.
Some
The
bubbly.
jam is already bubbling, and it's only been a minute. And
Smells good, doesn't it?
can I ask how many minutes it takes for jam to finish?
About 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes.
No, space. Let's have to mush it around. Right? It's already been 9 minutes since we started the video. Also mush the strawberries. Good.
Alright, in the meantime, you guys, please tidy up the table and get ready for breakfast.
You can't even see if it's black.
That's enough, Anne. Okay, so as it's reducing, I always just grind it down. Or what do? Pulp it down so that it's not too lumpy. Because Leano doesn't like a lumpy jam. So, just going to do this. Yeah.
Put the pressure on it, right?
Reduce the heat.
What about increase the heat? Why don't you increase the heat?
No, it's gonna boil too much.
We already did this for 12 minutes.
And then as it's reducing a little bit, the water's gone down, it's just very thick. But to thicken it up a bit, we're gonna also add chia seeds. About, say 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons of chia seeds. Mix it in there. I reduced the stove down, but this thing keeps bubbling. There we go. So the chia seeds are going to give it that gelatinous effect, so that it's like a jelly or a jam. Our jam is ready. Funnel. Take out all the spoons. So we're gonna need this one to cool down, but this one's going right to the breakfast table.
As long as you have to deal with, man. I didn't ask for you guys to know how to smell, did I?
But we have senses there. Smelling is one of them. Our nose is one of them. You can smell things that you like to eat.
Put a little bit of jam in your little bowl. And jokes on you, you said,
Yeah.
I can't even smell the peanut butter.
Yeah, well, I smell because no, thank you, Reggie.
It's very soft. Look at that beauty. That's all.
I know.
Look at that pretty cake.
This is silver. I know this is silver. It's silver. That's not silver. Please tell me that this is not silver colored.
She looks at it and it's so.
Mommy,
So she drinks something.
mine is silver.
And it's silver. That's so cool.
So it's different when you put it into another thing.
One more lump of jaggery, and then we wait. This one didn't need any chia seeds. It was already thick. Look at that. Yeah, so no need for chia seeds for that one. Oops. All right, so breakfast is done and the kids are busy cleaning up there. He said he's busy cleaning up the table. I'm done washing the dishes. We're just gonna pack them away nicely. And here are our 3 jams. So these are the first 2 that we made with the strawberries, blueberries, red currants, black currants, and then this one is the black currant, mango, and cranberry jam. It's actually very nice, and it's actually thicker than the other 2 that we made earlier. It was very delicious. I like the taste of it, the sweetness that came from the mango. It was also very nice. If you'll actually have a look, when you make jams and you're going to keep them for a long time, you should actually steam your containers, and then after steaming after washing your containers in hot water, you're supposed to make sure that you seal them immediately after pouring the jam, and then you can put them in a hot bath underwater so that they lock or that they seal for about 15 to 20 minutes. But I'm not going to do that because I know that we're going to use this for our cake tomorrow. We already made our cake. So we're going to eat this for breakfast over the next couple of days. So I know over the next 2 weeks it will be finished. So there's no need to really seal and lock them. But yeah, if you can see here, it's steaming because it was very hot. So the steam will actually seal them a little bit. This one is a little messy because that's the one we ate. But these two, I wiped the rims and just closed them. So the heat will actually seal it a little bit. And then we're going to put them in the fridge. And that's it for our video for today. And yeah, thank you for tuning in. I hope you like. If you have any comments, please do comment.
Yeah.
What else? What do you want to say? Did you enjoy helping me in the kitchen?
Yeah.
And you, Mercy?
Uh-huh.
Did you like the jams?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like the taste of it.
You like the taste of it?
Uh-huh. And the sour bits. Yeah, and I like the cake.
Yeah, the cake was also
and
delicious.
yes, and at least they have food for Sabbath. Or
Dessert for Sabbath.
yeah, dessert for Sabbath.
All right, thanks guys. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the Friday preparation day. I will continue with our preparations as well. So be blessed. Bye.
Mommy.